Greetings to all the students. Today I'm here, Dr. Vijayalakshmi Danaraddi, Associate Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Dharwad. I'm here to introduce the syllabus which is prescribed for BCom first semester under Karnatak University, Dharwad. In the first semester, AECC English, this particular text is prescribed Galaxy, an anthology of prose and poetry. And this particular edited book contains 5 prose and 5 poems. And in Unit 3, we have some grammar chapters, and Unit 4, a few grammar chapters. In the Unit 1, we have prose like Vargar, Buddha, the enlightened one, the bed, marriage is a private affair, sparrows. In Unit 2, we have 5 poems, 7 ages of man, no men or foreign, the old playhouse, the leisure, and to the Indians who died in Africa. In Unit 3, grammar chapters like parts of speech, articles, clause test. Unit 4 contains tenses, reading skills, synonyms, and antonyms. So, this is the syllabus, and this particular paper carries 100 marks. 80 marks would be final exam will be conducted by university, and 20 for internals. So 80 marks is divided into 3 parts. In the first part, it contains of 2 marks question, carries of 10 marks, and in the second part we have around 10 questions will be there, and you need to attempt any 8 among the 10 questions, carries of 5 marks each, and third part would be of 10 marks question. Again, there will be choice among 4. You can select any 3 and carries of 10 marks. So in the next video, I would like to discuss the first story in the syllabus, the Vargar. Thank you.